Number 11 of 19 in tour favorites is the 2018 new look of Big Kahuna. So we're gonna unbox Big Kahuna, and here is the 2015 new truck of Big Kahuna, what it looked like. And so on the back of the card comes with the recrushable car, and here we go, the Grandma Gravedigger, or like the World Finals Gravedigger, Epic Editions, El Toro Loco in Chromo Frost. There's Kahuna, Epic Editions of Radical Rescue. Then we have Clear Crushers of Bad News Travels Fast. There's X-Ray Body of Crusader, Monster Mutt, Junkyard Dog in the MJ Dog Pound. There's Brutus in the MJ Dog Pound, and Pirate's Curse in Tour Favorites. So I kind of like the design already of the new one of Big Kahuna than the older version. I got this off of eBay. Now, I'm not sure what case it is from. I'm guessing it is from Case M, and because I pre-ordered Case L from Grandpa's Diecast, and he's not in Case L. Now, Case K is, we don't know what is in Case K according to Grandpa's Diecast. Now here is the truck. The recrushable car kind of got in a bad spot. It's supposed to be like that, but anyways, here comes Big Kahuna. Wow, really looks good. There we go. Big Kahuna. We'll get this close-up shot. Has the Monster Jam logo right there. US body. Hot Wheels logo. There's Big Kahuna. Name of the truck. I like how it has the rustic look to it, like it's been through sand or on the beach for a long time, or just somewhere that it's been sitting and just rusting. Now you can see that the body of the truck is a new tool design. Here is on the hood. There's Big Kahuna. Then on the roof, just a lot of rusting look. On the opposite side coming around, there we have it, Big Kahuna. And on the tailgate, there's just a lot of rust coming around. It has the blue wheels, the BKT Hot Wheel tires. So that does it for Big Kahuna. One of the things that I want to point out though is it's supposed to have two surfboards like the original truck, but it doesn't come with surfboards on it, so that's negative, because it would be more realistic if it did have that on there. That would be cool, but they left that off, so maybe Spin Master will have them on, who knows, or maybe not. But that does it for the Big Kahuna unboxing and review.